Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantinos Tech. I'm getting a new phone, and it's not the one you may think. I've said time and time again that the base model iPhone with ProMotion would be a top contender phone, and it's finally time to put my money where my mouth is. For the first time since I think the 12 Pro, I'm going to go with the regular base model iPhone 17. First and foremost, I think that the 17 lineup is the best lineup that we've ever seen from Apple. The build quality, the features offered across from everything from the base model to the Pro are astounding. The technology that comes in these little devices is fantastic. That being said, they do come with a price. I don't have my 17 yet. There's a little bit of a snafu with the ordering from T-Mobile, but shout out to Tina from T-Mobile customer service. He pulled through. We're gonna get it soon. So I ordered the 17 in black. I didn't get a fun color, but I wish that the Pro had a black model, unlike the 17, so I'm looking forward to getting that. When we look at the Air and when we look at the Pro, we see form and function. The Air is innovation. It's completely function over form. That's wrong. It's completely form over function. The design comes with compromise, but you get the thin, light device. Honestly, I think it's the best looking device that Apple has released in a long time. I'm not ready to jump on that bandwagon just yet. I don't have the budget to get a bunch of different phones, so I'm just gonna stick with one. The Pro is fully function over form. It is a beast of a muscle car packed to the brim with all sorts of amazing tech. The aluminum unibody design, the increased battery capacity, the cameras, it's all fantastic. But it kind of drives me crazy when you go out and you see everybody and their cousin with a Pro model iPhone. I'm not saying that people can't buy what they want. Buy whatever you like. But the base model iPhones are so good that we've kind of forgotten what a non-Pro version is. So I'm honestly excited to try it out. There are certain drawbacks to getting the regular over the Pro. The ones that I think are most important are, number one, the cameras, obviously. The Pro will have a better camera because of the telephoto lens. So you're missing out on some macro shots as well as zooming in. The other negative is there's no LiDAR. I think LiDAR is a really great asset and it really helps with the laser autofocus, so you get smooth autofocus. And last but not least, you also don't get the ceramic shield back on the rear of the device. Other than that, the iPhone 17 has the same front-facing camera, the same standard lens as well as ultra-wide. The screens are the exact same. Ceramic shield 2 in front, 3000 nits brightness, and finally, ProMotion 120 Hz display on the base model iPhone. On top of that, it gets an upgrade to 256 gigabytes of storage. Pound for pound, that's a better deal than the Pixel 10, which was just released, which comes out with a base storage of 128 gigabytes. At the end of the day, I'd like to focus on value and how everyday users can find value in tech. Tech is expensive and it doesn't need to be the top tier product every single time. So for the next year, while I have this upgrade, I'm going to be using the base model iPhone 17. Make sure to leave a like and comment with any ideas for videos you want to see or me to test with the base model iPhone 17. I'm Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech, and remember, life's short. Buy tech.